How to create or open Australian Super account. Hey guys, let's get started. So first of all, open any of your browsers such as Chrome and search for Australian Super. If you click on the login page, you can tap on Join Australian Super, which is on the bottom of the page, or you can tap on the horizontal lines and tap on Join and on Super. Now scroll down a bit and then tap on Open a Super account. This will take you to another page. Scroll down a bit, and first of all, you need to enter your email address. After that, you need to tick on the terms and conditions after reading it, and then tap on Get Started. This will take you to another page. First of all, you need to give about your personal information. This includes first name, last name, your date of birth, gender, and then tap on Continue. On the next page, you are supposed to give your address. If you are in Australia, give the Australian address. If not, tap on the second option, that is outside Australia, and give your location. After that, tap on Continue button again. And this time, you have to provide your phone number. You can also enter your home number if you do not have a mobile. Scroll down to study about why the legal action is required and then tap on Continue button. In this next page, you are supposed to give your tax file number. However, it is completely optional, so you do not have to worry. Then tap on Continue. In the next page, if your employer will be contributing to your super, you can click on the yes and give your employer's ABN. However, if it is not available, if you are self-employed, you can give your occupation only. Once you give your occupation, tap on Continue. On the next page, you have all the terms and conditions. So make sure to download the product disclosure statement and then click on I have read and understood the product disclosure statement. Tap on Continue and then read about it as well. After that, you can also add your beneficiary if you want. If not, tap on No and you can add it at any moment later on. Then tap on Continue and apply for cover. Tap on Continue button again. And on the last page, click on I confirm, I read and accepted the declaration. After this, you can review your form once and submit it. If there is any problem, they'll get back to you in 2 to 3 business days via your email, with which you can now create your credentials and get logged into AustralianSuper. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.